Did you know that your credit score not only makes the difference whether you're approved for a credit card or a mortgage, but most importantly, it determines your interest rate. If your credit score is spectacular, you'll get a lower rate. However, if your credit score is low, you better watch out. The interest rates are going to go soaring high. Welcome, beautiful people, to the Biznezz Academy. On this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. We help small business owners build business credit so they can grow and scale. But before you can build business credit, let's take a look at your personal credit. If this is your first time here, hey, how you doing? And welcome. If not, listen, what's preventing you from hitting that subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video? Get your pen and paper ready to take notes. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. 300 being on the terrible range to 850 being on the world is your oyster. Now, from 300 to 579, that's considered poor. From 500 to 80 to 669 is fair. From 680 to 720 is good. And anything over 720 means you'll get approved, lower interest rate, and you are above average. In today's video, I am going to share with you the steps that you must take in order to obtain a tip-top great credit score. Get your pen and paper ready to take notes. And let me add by saying it's not only important to aim for a 750 credit score or higher, but also make sure that your credit profile is reporting a debt ratio that's under 20%, less than 5 inquiries. Those are just important. You guys, I have clients that have in the 700 credit FICO scores, and they're not able to obtain financing because maybe they have 5 and 6 inquiries, which tell the creditors that you are hungry for money, or why are you applying for so much credit all at once? And also, the debt ratio is high. So say, for example, that they owe $50,000 and they have a stellar, impeccable payment history, but the debt ratio is over 30%, that doesn't look good. That shows creditors that you are top heavy. So inquiries and debt ratio are two things that we have to be mindful of as we are taking the steps that are necessary to increase our FICO score. You got it? The same page? Okay, get your pen and paper ready so I can share with you the steps that are necessary so you can get in the 750 FICO score club and higher. Get ready. Step number 1 to achieve a great credit score. When I say great, I'm talking 750 great. Is pay your bills on time. You guys, payment, it's 35% of the pie when it comes to calculating your credit score. Pay it on time. In fact, I would suggest as soon as you get the invoice, pay it. In fact, to go a little bit further with that, if you have a mobile or online account, as soon as your balance is posted online before you get it in the mail, is make sure you just go ahead and pay on time. Very important, guys. Anything that is over 30 days is reported late, and points will be deducted off of your FICO score if payment is received late, because the creditors will report to the bureaus that you have paid late. Even if it's your first time paying late, make sure you pay your bills on time, before time. Not late, guys. 35% of the pie, which is a big chunk of the pie. When you look at a pie being 100% and 35%, you get what I'm saying. Pay it on time to make things seamless, pay it before time. Before I continue on to step number 2, I just want to add, you guys can set up auto pay to have it automatically taken out of your account, so you don't have to make the mistake of paying late, or sometimes life just gets in the way and you get busy. So that you don't make that mistake, just make sure that you have auto pay set up with the creditor to take it out of your account early. So say, for example, if it's due on the 30th, go ahead and have them take it out on the 15th. And you can easily call your creditor and financial institution to set that up to have that taken out. You got it? Now, number 2 is utilization. Keep that utilization low. Now, utilization is 30% of the pie. 30% of the pie, that's 100%. What utilization is your usage. For example, if your balance is $1,000, I say 25% utilization. Some folks say 30. I say nope, 25, because I'm in the 800 club. And I also want you to be in the 800 club. So for example, if you have a limit of $1,000, make sure your balance is 250 and under. You don't want a high utilization. You guys, you'll be surprised to find out how many people have 700 plus credit scores, but have high utilizations that prevents them from getting any more credit extended. So utilization is a big factor in determining whether or not you can have access to more funds. Utilization under 25%. And also, to help boost your credit, ask for a credit increase. And I would recommend doing this every 6 months. But make sure that you're paying things on time, your utilization is low, reaching out to that creditor and just asking them to extend more credit, or maybe going on to their site, clicking the button and ask for more credit or higher limit. And this also can help boost your credit score. Step number 3 is maintaining older accounts. The length of your credit reporting is 15% of the pie. So what this means is that keep accounts active. Please don't close them. Closing accounts only affects your credit score because it takes a nosedive. So keep the credit open, maintain open accounts, even if you don't use them. Keep them open. More trade lines help and show the health and strength of your credit is 15%. So maintain old accounts. Step number 4, limit new hard inquiries. You guys, listen. It is so important for you to limit the hard inquiries that you have reporting on your credit, because your credit could take a nosedive and your FICO score is decreased as a result of this. I recommend never having more than 5 inquiries. Like 5 is the max reporting to each credit reporting agency: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You guys, listen, when you apply for new credit and your credit report is showing more than 5 inquiries for each bureau, that tells the creditors that for some reason you are a high risk red flag, because you are applying for too much credit within the 5 years. So listen, each inquiry stays on your credit for 2 years. So make sure that you do not have more than 5 inquiries. Another thing, certain creditors have a 3 in 24 rule. If you have more than 3 inquiries within 24 months, they won't even look at you, or they won't even approve you for their credit. And some of the best, in my opinion, credit cards, business credit cards and personal credit cards that have great reward programs are the ones I'm talking about. So you want to keep those inquiries under 5, and make sure that you are quarterly checking out your credit report and making sure everything is consistent. pretty much monitoring your credit report so that you are abreast of what's being reported on your credit so that you can join the club like me. You could join the 800 credit score. And number 5, diversify your credit mix. This is 10% of the pie. Pretty much diversify, meaning mortgage loans, car loans, personal loans, credit cards, lines of credit. Diversity looks good. Make sure that you're diversifying, and this looks good, and it helps your credit score increase. And I like to add this. Once you pay off a car note, that is still reporting as history, but your credit score does not increase because that account is shown closed and paid off, opposed to like a trade line, like a credit card. Your credit card or some type of funding that you have, it shows the availability and it's still open, then that strengthens your account. So diversifying your credit mix is very important. There you have it. 5 steps to help you get in that 800 credit score, well, actually 750 club. And then there are other steps that you can do to get in that 800 club like me. Listen, if you have any questions, any suggestions, or any topics that you would like me to elaborate on that I haven't, go ahead and write that down in a comment and I will respond. Now, if you would like to get on a call with me to find out how I can help you enhance your personal credit so that you can build business credibility for your business so you can grow and scale with having the funds to grow and scale your business, go ahead and click to get on a call with me so we can discuss and strategize if we can work together and what next steps that I would suggest that you take so you can be successful in joining me in the 700 Club and also join me in being a business owner that has plenty of business credit so I can grow and scale. Go ahead and do that. And you guys, listen. Until next time, when you win, I win, and we win together. I love you. I care about you. I want you to be great, and I'm here for you. I do love you. Bye-bye.